Imagine standing outside under a bright sunny sky when suddenly the afternoon warmth fades away and an eerie midday darkness begins to fall. The vibrant daylight dims to a ghostly twilight and birds abruptly stop singing, completely confused by this sudden, mysterious return of night. In ancient times, this terrifying sight filled people with dread, fearing a cosmic beast was devouring their life-giving sun forever. Scribes in ancient China recorded these terrifying events, helping modern scientists calculate how the Earth's rotation has slowed over millennia. Today, we know this cosmic vanishing act is not a supernatural curse, but a beautiful, natural shadow game played in space. Welcome to the ultimate guide on solar eclipses. I am Professor Aha, and today we will unlock this spectacular cosmic mystery. A solar eclipse is a grand celestial alignment that occurs only when the Earth, Moon, and Sun line up perfectly in space. This magnificent cosmic alignment is quite rare, occurring only during specific periods of the year known as active eclipse seasons. An eclipse season happens twice a year, lasting about 35 days, repeating just short of 6 months later in our orbit. During this season, a solar eclipse can only happen during the new moon phase, when the moon sits between Earth and Sun. As the moon glides directly between our planet and the glowing sun, it blocks the solar rays, casting a dark shadow. This moving shadow creates a dark trail across the rotating Earth, which astronomers call the narrow, spectacular path of totality. If you stand directly within this path of totality, the moon will completely block the sun's light, bringing total daytime darkness. The moon's shadow actually has two distinct parts, a dark inner core called the umbra and a lighter outer penumbra region. Inside the dark umbra, the sun is completely blocked, while the outer penumbra creates a wider zone of partial solar eclipse. But wait, how can our tiny moon block the giant sun? It is time for our ultimate mind-blowing Professor Aha moment. The sun is absolutely humongous, boasting a physical diameter that is roughly 400 times larger than our tiny moon. If the sun is so incredibly massive, the moon should look like a speck, unable to cover that giant solar disk. Here is the cosmic secret. The sun is also about 400 times further away from the Earth than the moon. This incredible ratio is a mind-boggling coincidence of nature, making both celestial bodies appear exactly the same size in our sky. Because of this perfect mathematical match, the small moon can completely hide the giant star, blocking its entire bright face. If the moon were slightly smaller or further away, we would never experience the breathtaking magic of a total solar eclipse. This perfect cosmic coincidence allows us to witness the sun's hidden features, which are normally drowned out by intense glare. This spectacular, divine mathematical symmetry has fascinated humanity for thousands of years, driving revolutionary scientific breakthroughs in physics and modern solar astronomy. It is an absolute masterclass in cosmic geometry, proving that size and distance can balance out to create total perfection. Depending on how these three bodies align and their exact distances, we can witness three primary types of solar eclipses. A partial solar eclipse occurs when the moon blocks only a portion of the sun, looking like a giant glowing bite. An annular eclipse happens when the moon is further from Earth, appearing too small to fully cover the brilliant solar face. This leaves a spectacular blazing ring of bright sunlight visible around the moon's dark silhouette, called the Ring of Fire. But the crown jewel is a total solar eclipse when the moon completely covers the sun, plunging the landscape into night. During totality, we can finally see the corona, the sun's mysterious outer atmosphere, which is usually completely invisible to us. The corona is a dim, ghostly halo of hot plasma, filled with beautiful glowing streams, active loops, and delicate magnetic ribbons. Fascinated scientists eagerly study this faint solar atmosphere during totality, as it holds vital clues about space weather and magnetic solar winds. For a brief moment, the sky resembles a deep twilight, revealing bright stars and planets in the middle of the day. This breathtaking spectacle lasts only a few minutes before the moon moves on and bright sunlight quickly floods the world. Witnessing an eclipse is unforgettable, but safety must always be your number one priority when looking at the brilliant sun. Looking directly at the sun's bright face without specialized eye protection will instantly cause severe permanent damage to your eyes. Regular sunglasses, no matter how dark, are not safe. You must use official eclipse glasses certified under International Standard ISO 12-3122. You can only safely remove your eclipse glasses during the brief, spectacular period of absolute totality, when the moon completely covers the sun. Alternatively, you can use indirect viewing, like a simple homemade pinhole projector, to safely watch the crescent shadow on paper. Modern science helps us fully understand these magical cosmic moments, turning ancient fears into a wonderful celebration of our beautiful, beautifully connected universe. If you loved unlocking this cosmic mystery today, hit that subscribe button to join Professor Aha for more mind-blowing science.